Hello everyone, Arjav here, and in this video, yes, I'm finally back with snake cube tutorials. I'm going to teach you how to make this camel. So yeah, let's get started. First, you have to rotate the first piece from left twice. So it should look like this, and this is the head, this piece right here. Now we are going to make the neck. So count 5 pieces and rotate the 5th piece twice like this. And now we are going to count 3 pieces. So this is the 3rd piece, and you have to rotate the 3rd piece twice. From here, from top to bottom, you have to count 3 pieces again and rotate the 3rd piece twice. And now over here, from left to right, you have to take the 2nd piece and rotate it twice. Now we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and rotate the 5th piece twice. And now we are going to rotate the 2nd piece twice again. Now from top to bottom, you have to count 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, and rotate the 3rd piece twice. And we're almost done. So now count 3 pieces again and rotate it twice. Now count 3 pieces again and rotate the 3rd piece twice. And now you have to take the 2nd piece and rotate it twice. So here we go. This is our camel, and these two look like the mother and the child. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.